Question 15, solve 2 brackets 3x minus 4 minus x equals 5 plus x. Wow, I know most of you may fail this, and you know what? After we complete this, you're not gonna face any problem related to this. I hope so. Okay, I hope so. Yeah, right here, what I'm gonna do first, whenever you see brackets in mathematics, first open the brackets. Okay, step 1, open the brackets. Yeah, these are the brackets. I mean, you need to multiply each number in the bracket by these 2. So that means 2 times 3x minus 4 times 2. This is what we're gonna have. We're gonna have 6x minus 8, because 2 times 4, then minus this x equals 5 plus x. And I've seen many students making this mistake. They cancel this negative 5 with this one, because they are seeing minus, they are seeing a plus, but there is equal sign, and that is very wrong. If you make that mistake, never do that. Okay, never cancel or subtract numbers when one is on the left, the other one is on the right side, when yet there are equal sign in between them. Never do that. Okay, so don't make that mistake. Yeah, so right from here, what I'm gonna do is, the next step is to simplify. Bring where they are x together and the numbers together, okay, on one side. That means, yeah, what I'm gonna do is to first see here 6x minus 8 minus x. Yeah, we're gonna have 6x minus x because they are all on the left side. We are allowed to do that. Then we're gonna have 6 minus 1. Here we're gonna have 5, but there is x. Okay, so you're gonna have 5x minus 8 equals 5 plus x right here. Okay, now this step 2, we have completed it. Simplification. We simplify where necessary, or when it is possible. So then from here, step 3, I'm gonna go ahead and we still have another x here after equal sign, so I'm gonna bring it to the left. So, and since it is crossing equal sign, it's gonna be a negative, since here it is a positive plus. Okay, so that is why step 2, this brings us to step 3. Step 3, subtract x from both sides. This is what I'm talking about. 5 minus x minus 8 equals, yeah, 5 plus x minus x right here. Then 5 minus x, it's like 5 minus 1. There is 1 here before x as coefficient. That is 4. Then you have x, okay, on it. X minus 8 equals 5, okay, because here this x minus x is gonna be 0. 5 plus 0, you're gonna have 5. Okay, and here you might be wondering why I'm not getting 4x minus 8 and subtract them, because 8 does not have x on it. Okay, that means they are different terms. Okay, so unless this 8 would have also x on it, and since it doesn't, I have to take it the other side where we have got 5 as another number. So from here, we're gonna go for step 4, because we still have another way to go. And what I'm gonna do, since here it is minus 8, many students fail here because of these operations. Okay, since there is minus 8 and it's gonna cross equal sign, it's gonna become positive. That means, yeah, you're gonna see here plus 8 after equal sign. This is the step 4, add 8 to both sides. Okay, so that it's gonna be removed from left to right. And this is what I'm talking about. 4x minus 8 plus 8 equals 5 plus 8. That is 4x minus 8 plus 8. This is gonna give us 0. 4x plus 0 is gonna give us 4x right here. Then 5 plus 8 is gonna give us 13. So 4x is equal to 13. Then here, what are we gonna do to have the value of x? Yeah, we're gonna go for step 5. Okay, then step 5, what are you gonna do is to divide both sides by 4. Divide both sides by 4. So 4x divided by 4 equals 13 divided by 4, and yeah, 4 is gonna cancel with this 4, and we're gonna have 1 times x, we're gonna have x, which is here. Then by the, you can express 13 divided by 4 using these symbols, or in mathematics this is also around 13, then forward slash 4. Okay, like that. Okay, and in mathematics, never, actually my teachers tell me that whenever a numerator, this number on top, is bigger or larger than the denominator or the number below, or the number after this forward slash, then you need to express it either in decimals like here, or you express it in what we call mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, if you get 13 divided by 4, you're gonna have you're gonna have 3 as big number, then 1, and then 1 over 4. Okay, and if you do it on your calculator, guys, you're gonna have 13 divided by 4 on your calculators, you're gonna have 3.25. Okay, like this. And yeah, but some teachers and students, they leave the answer as x is equal to 13 over 4. But in an exam, please express this into decimal point or fraction, and the numbers after this dot or decimal leave approximately 4 digits numbers. Okay, but for this one, it just gives this 25. Okay, 3.25. Okay, or 3 and 25, something like this. So you're gonna have this. So our answer here, is 3.25. Okay, 25, like this. Okay, and let's go ahead and verify if our answer is correct. On the left side, let me show you. This is challenging, I know. Most of you are like, what? But it is what it is. Okay, so 2 into 3x minus 4 minus x. Let's check here. So you're gonna have 2 brackets 3 times x, which is 13 over 4, in terms of fraction, right here or here. Okay, so minus 4 from the expression we are given, or the equation, minus 13, minus let's check, minus x, which is 13 over 4, minus 13 over 4. Then we're gonna have here we deal with the numbers in the brackets first, and here what I'm gonna do, the denominator here is so let's, when you get 3 times 13, you're gonna have 39, so that is 2 into 39 over 4. Okay, minus, now here we've got 39 minus 16, we're gonna have here 23. Okay, then minus this 13 over 4 right here. Then we still deal with brackets first, then 2 times 23 over 4, that is gonna give us 46 over 4 minus 13 over 4 right here, and 4 is common on the denominator. Then 46 minus 13, you're gonna have 33, then everything's over 4. So on the left side you've got 33 over 4. Okay, so let's check if the right side is also correct. Let's check. x, that is 5 plus x, that is 5 plus 13 over 4. Okay, yeah, 5 plus 13 over 4, and the denominator, which is 4, is going to multiply here. It's going to have 20 over 4 plus here 13 over 4, and we're going to have everything over 4. Then 20 plus 13, that is 33. So the left side is equal to right. Okay, that means our solution is also correct, right? So here is the summary. Like, it is very important, that is gonna guide you and help you along this journey of learning and mastering on how to solve linear equations. Okay, here we go. To solve any linear equation, you're gonna do this: simplify both sides like I showed you. Okay, then 2, you need to open brackets and clear fractions if needed or necessary. Okay, and I showed you numbers concerning related with brackets or parentheses. Okay, 3, move x terms to one side. In this video, we are putting all the terms of x or whatever unknown or variable to the left side, then you put the numbers to the right side. Okay, so 4, move numbers to the other side, that is on the right side. Okay, you have to put numbers on one side, then the unknown or the terms with x on the other side. Okay, like we did. So 5, divide to get x alone. You know, where we are getting somewhere, then we divide. Okay, to obtain or to have the value of x, to obtain or to have the value of x. Okay, so 6, always check your answer. Okay, when you're not in your exams, you can check the answer, but when you are in the exam, don't just end on x is equal to a certain value. Okay, but in your revision, in your class homework, you can have a separate book, then you'll be checking if your answers are really correct. Okay, so whenever you're doing revision or doing kind of practice, you're gonna be checking your answers, okay, to be sure that whatever you're doing is correct. That is why you're gonna be proving or verifying by yourself if your answers are correct, even if the teacher is not present. Okay, you can do that by yourself and you're good to go. Okay, if this made equations clear for you, like the video and subscribe. I'm Emmanuel Savimana, by the way, and in the next video we will solve harder equations with the fractions and brackets. Okay, don't miss. If you want to learn more, watch the video on your screen. I will see you in the next one.